Today, we're setting up the Nextbase Piqo, the small and mighty dashcam. Let's jump right into the setup. It's a lot easier than you think. To kick things off, we'll start by inserting our Nextbase SD card into your Piqo. You can find the SD card slot just here on the side. Then, clean your windshield with the included kit. This step guarantees that the adhesive pad sticks perfectly. Now, position the Piqo just behind the rearview mirror on the passenger side. This is where it was meant to be. It's compact and discreet. You'll barely notice it's there. Connect your Piqo with the included car power cable. For features like smart parking, you'll need the Quick Connect or the Pro Install cable that give permanent power. Grab the fitting tool to neatly tuck away your cable along your windshield, ensuring a clean and professional installation. Launch the Nextbase app. It's your hub for connecting, managing, and always making sure you're on the latest firmware. And there you have it. You are all set up to capture every minute of your journey. And don't forget to tag us when posting your moments on social media.